Welcome to this screencast. We have got a question that's been invented for us, and we have this flowchart that we need to turn into, in an exam, it would ask you for pseudocode, but in our lesson we learn Python, and our exam specs lets us use a high-level language instead of pseudocode, so we're going to write it in Python. I'm going to start here, writing my code, in case I need to go back before what I will think would be my first instruction to add another instruction or to add a loop. Is there someone who can tell me what I need to do for my first instruction, my first block in the flowchart? To set total to 0, it gives us a name that I can reuse into my code. So total is going to be a variable. I'm going to store the value 0 inside my total variable. Next, I need to input number of tickets. Number of tickets to me sounds like a very long variable name. I can shorten it to NBT, short for number of tickets. NBT is the variable I am going to store the result of input. So input in my flowchart is a parallelogram, should look more like this, because we are asking the user to type a number and we're going to store it. In Python, if it's a number, I'm going to typecast it using int, turn it into a number, and inside the bracket for int, I'm using the input function. I'm going to be quite short, it's just for the exam. Number of tickets should do the trick. So the examiner knows exactly what quantity I'm asking the user to enter. Next, I've got a diamond. So a diamond is a decision. A decision can be used for a loop or can be used for an if statement. If it was a loop, one of the branch would have to go back up and before I'm asking the number of tickets. In this case, both branches of a diamond go down towards the AND block. Therefore, it's an if statement. For the if statement, I need the condition, which is inside my diamond. So the name of my variable is NBT, and the condition is it more than 0, strictly more than 0. After if, I'm going to look at the branch where it says yes in the flowchart. So we need to add 7.45 to total. Is there someone who knows how to add a value to a variable? Go on. So in computer science, we can write total equal total plus 7.5, because what truly happens is we take the value on the right and we store it in the variable on the left. In the process of taking the value on the right, we calculate that value. So we take old total, add 7.5 to it, and store it inside the same variable, overwriting the old value for the new value. Then we need an else for this branch of a flowchart, and we just put what it is that we have here. It should have been a parallelogram shape, and we just outputting the total. To output the total, we use the keyword print, and we've reached the end of our flowchart. Therefore, we don't need to add any more code. Thank you for listening to this flowchart, and let's see your good work in the next one.